more has to come. But when he first came, I remember outside the reception, he's sitting. And that time, heroes were big, broad, tall. And he looked very small, very small. And I was thinking, oh, here he is. And Salim Saab's son. And then he came, he sat in front of me. But his photographs he showed me. I think Monish, he shot the photos. And he showed me the photographs. And the photographs said something different. Even then, I wish I had those photographs to show today. That photograph, those eyes, that jawline. And you see the photograph, you see him, and it was just world apart. Those photographs were magic.
Thank you, Suraj.
And then we decided we'll hold a test. We'll do a screen test for him. And what we have here is a few glimpses of his first screen test of Prem, which we would all like to share because that is our golden moment. And for me, these things are very dear. For 27 years, I did not allow anyone to touch it. And we brought those glimpses in its original form. I've not allowed them to online it. Nothing, just basic restoration. It's his voice. It's our voice. It's our journey. So, Salam, if you want to say...
He's still paranoid about showing it.
Today morning, just now I asked him here on stage, do we really need to show it?
So I said, no, we need to expose me. कि अगर ये बन सकता है, तो हिंदुस्तान का हर बच्चा प्रेम बन सकता है. Told me to say it like that.
Yeah, but not like you. So he went on, and there was no voice, there was no throw. So this was more or less, okay, he looked nice, but more or less. But there was another reason why it was rejected. And that was because my first film, and it was supposed to be New Boy, New Girl, and he was already doing one film, BV Ho To Aise, and that too a side role. So to bring him into this film, especially after this dialogue, and to make him a hero, and to launch a new pair was a big, big question mark. So for 4-5 months, हम इन्हें टालते रहे.
Sir, one sec. I want to stop you there. Salman sir, what were you feeling after you'd given this audition? Were you feeling confident?
I thought sure shot done. अब राष्ट्रीय ऑफिस के अंदर क्या चल रहा है? I didn't know. And then when that 4 months happened, then I realized कि यहाँ पर तो कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. So I went to this. Started meeting people again. So there was this one film that was being made by Mr. Suresh Bhagat, who was this same BB Ho To Aise. He was a producer of Mr. K.C. Bukadia's film. So Mr. K.C. Bukadia's production manager, Mr. J.K. Bihari, was making this film. It was a Pakistani remake with Rekha Ji, Farooq Sheikh, Kader Khan, Bindu Ji. It was like a very big cast at that point in time. So I remember walking into some place in Khar. There was a garage. And Bihari Sahab just told me a few days ago, months ago, कि यार कोई करने को तैयार ही नहीं था. तो ऐसे अगला जो भी इस यहाँ से आएगा ना इस रोल के लिए, कोई भी हो, मैं उस इडियट को ले लूँगा. This about 4-5 months ago he told me. जैसे आपकी कास्टिंग अगर आप ऐसे सोच रहे हो कि आपकी कास्टिंग के हमको आपकी पर्सनालिटी पसंद आई हो या कुछ टैलेंट देखा हो, बिल्कुल नहीं. हर एक ने इस रोल को रिफ्यूज़ किया. आप आए, हमने आपसे पूछा, हम परेशान हो गए थे, कोई कर ही नहीं रहा था ये रोल. आपने किया, हमने आपको साइन कर लिया.
And that was the story, and so history was allowed to be made also after that. Yeah.
And he was doing this film, and we didn't like this test, especially that "Kyun" dialogue. So,
Achha, how many retakes sir, did you? You must have tried to say name "Kyun."
10-12 होते रहे.
10-12 हज़ार.
क्यों? So then 5-6 months हम लोग रोकते रहे. But the most surprising thing was he kept sending boys after boys. इसको ले लो. कोई अपने ही सर पे कुल्हाड़ी तो मारते, पर ये मार रहे हैं. इसको मेरे से better. And this went on. Finally, I went to Satish Bala, where he was shooting for BV Ho To Aise. कि production Zaki साहब was there. I said कि जाके बोलें तो सही इन्हें कि नहीं cancel, कोई बोले तो सही. तो गए अंदर, and he was shooting with Rekha ji. तो आते ही गले मिल रहे हैं. मैंने बोला cancel, okay, इनको ले लो. तो कैंसिल होने के बाद भी कोई बोले इनको ले लो, हम बाहर आए, एंड वी सेड अगर हीरो बनेगा तो यही बनेगा. सो व्हाट गॉट हिम द फिल्म, सलमान भाई, व्हाट गॉट us मैंने प्यार किया together is not the actor, it is the man. It is the man in the word Salman. Thank you Kiran ji for this thought. And even now it is the man who wins, it is not the actor. And now we can show the second test हुआ हमारा जिसमें हमने बाल वाल कटाए कहाँ पे समय पे.
So we went to this one beauty salon called
बंद भी हो गई होगी.
Beauty Star. Beauty Star.
बैंड्रा में ही था.
बैंड्रा में था. हाँ. वो जिगजैग रोड के नीचे. तो वहाँ पर एक हमारे बाल काटा करता था, उसका नाम सिकंदर है. अभी उसकी नौकरी लग गई है आलिम के यहाँ पर. वो ब्यूटी स्टार बंद हो गया. So we went there. उसने I think 15 रुपए लिए बाल काटने के लिए. वैसे 5 रुपए लेता था. उस वक्त देखा कि ये हीरो बनने वाला है तो पहले निपटा उसे.
मैं ऐसे खड़ा था, कहीं ज्यादा कट जाए कम कट जाए क्या भरोसा, कट गए तो फिर आएंगे नहीं.
आई एम सरप्राइज्ड ही डिडंट ओपन अ सीरीज ऑफ नाई की दुकान आफ्टर दैट. सलमान भाई का हेयर कट मैंने करवाया था, अभी देखो तो बड़े साल.
उसके बाद बहुत माइलेज खाया, बहुत फुटेज खाया. बहुत फुटेज खाया. अब जब भी मैं जाता था उसके पास तो ये संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल कर. अरे मैं सलमान खान हूं, मैं संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल क्यों करूंगा यार. इसे नहीं बाबा, तुम संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल. So for the first 3-4 years, it was only Sanjay Dutt hairstyle that I was supporting. Yeah, Sanjay Dutt बाल लंबा तो आप बाल लंबा करो Sanjay Dutt की तरह. Sanjay Dutt spike कर लिया तो आप काट लो Sanjay Dutt की तरह. Eventually, I had to stop going to him. Then I started going to Roxanne.
So Suraj ji and Salman sir, after this, did you tell him?
Yeah.
Or was it again a waiting period?
No, this was done. We knew that this is the hero. But there is one girl.
No, after that happened, na, they've confirmed me. So now, Bibi Hota Aisi was complete. So they asked me to see the film, Bibi Hota Aisi. I went and saw the film. I said, the film is good, but I suck. It's like, I'm like terrible in it. Me and Arbaz saw it, and Arbaz was I was like, ye kya ho gaya? They dubbed my voice as somebody else, jo bhi hua. So I came out of the theatre. From Dimple only I called you up. I said, I just saw Bibi Hota Aisi. And he said, huh? So I said, I'm terrible in the film. So he said, then what's the problem? It will not do well. Nobody said, no, the problem is the film is a good film. It will do well. And the more people see it, the more they will say, isko, kaya ko le liye, to bahut ganda hai. No one's going to come and see Maine Pyar Kiya. I said, I am going out now. I'll come join you as an assistant. So he said, no, but how bad can it be? So I said, come, I'll show you. So then I asked J.K. Bihari साहब से, वो उन्होंने साइन किया. It's not fair. मैं तो आपको पता है मेरी कैपेबिलिटी क्या है इस फिल्म में कि मैंने कितना खराब काम किया. तो it's not fair that they will have to suffer me. So then he allowed me to keep a trial. They kept a trial in Dimple only. Suraj Babu came in and saw the film. And he comes out of the theatre and he said, Salman, why are your eyes looking so big? ऐसे आइस को तो मैं छोटे कर लूंगा दादा, ये पिक्चर आ गई अंदर. So throughout मैंने प्यार किया हमने यार दिख भी नहीं रहा था. It's now open your eyes.
But there is one girl who we owe our relation to Salman Khan, to Maine Pyar Kyun. We were testing a lot of girls much before. We started testing much before girls, boys and all that. So there was one girl who came, who tested. Her name was Shabana Dutt. Her name is Shabana Dutt. And I remember after doing the test, of course her test was not correct. She told me that there is who hero. I said, we are hunting for boys. Can you suggest? She said, एक लड़का है सलमान खान जिसके साथ मैंने एक ऐड किया. I think चप्पल का कोई ऐड था. And why don't you? I said, please give the number. कोई भी हो अभी ढूंढ रहे. तो ही से सलीम साहब के सन. So we were, me, my father, all of us, सलीम साहब के सन कहाँ करेंगे? No, but a very nice guy. You used to just call him, he'll come like that and take a test. So that is when
चप्पल का ऐड कर रहा हूँ मैं और सलीम साहब के सन को पता है कि काम की कितनी ज़रूरत है. 7.5 रुपए में काम कर रहे हैं. They are thinking in the राष्ट्रीय ऑफिस के how will he do it? I think it was Lakhani Chappal at that point of time, and Kailash Surendranath was shooting the film. Sangeeta was with me, and I think when I asked Kailash, okay, who's this girl? he said, I think she was from the agency. So she was from the agency, then I don't know what she was doing in Suraj Babu's office, auditioning for Bhagyashri's role. But sabko ek hota hai ke, you know, and the fact that she went there and she suggested my name. And then also there's this writer of theirs who was writing for Rashtriya at that time, Mr. Kamar Naqvi. So I went to Lucky Hotel for a narration. Somebody else only was, you know, they used to have all these writers and directors, you know, sitting there at at the Lucky restaurant here in Bandra. तो मैं चला गया तो वो वहाँ पर बैठे थे वहाँ पर. तो there was another director narrating a script to me. Really bad one. तो I had to say no to him. तो इसे तुमको समझ क्या है, तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो ये. तो I think Kamar Naqvi at that point of time understood कि ये समझदार बच्चा है. Because even he as a writer did not like the script. So I think he also came and told Gupta ji and Zaki साहब के, I just met this boy, he's Salim साहब's son. तो 2-3 जगह से एक people started recommending my name. And before I think you had already finalized Deepak Tijori and Kunal Goswami.
Lots of them.
So these two names were in the running.
What about the success party and all? Didn't you all meet everybody after that? After it became such a super hit film, sir, didn't you have a big party where everybody came across?
कुछ नहीं सब, पर उसके पहले अभी तो बहुत रास्ते थे.
अच्छा.
First was to find the girl.
Yeah.
Oh, so since then, no contact at all, and she also never contacted you after that. Nothing.
No, there's no.
Wow.
I got her number, but the phone didn't. I mean,
Oh, actually, an angel.
It rang, and then it was like.
But
just
then
no
after
one picked up
this
the
was
phone.
our journey to find the heroine.
Yes.
And then we kept lot of girls. One incident I'd like to share. Both of us, we had liked a girl, I think at Roshan Taneja ji's acting school. So we saw and we said, this is the girl. Today she's there, she's a mother, and we.
What was her name?
No, it's okay. So then.
Shine.
No. So we both liked her very much, but she was the niece of a very big star.
Shine.
Very big, and so we took an appointment, and हमारे गुप्ता जी जो थे वो बोले कि हम जाके परमिशन लेंगे. तो आई रिमेंबर हम दोनों गाड़ी में बैठे हैं, एंड गुप्ता जी गए उनके घर पे, हम बाहर बैठे कि हीरोइन मिल गई, ऐसा लोग ये वो. गुप्ता जी आधे घंटे बाद, एंड ही सेड क्या हुआ, बोले नहीं चलो ऑफिस चलेंगे. सो हम सब गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं ऑफिस में. He made us sit out. He went to father, and then finally he came out. He said कि नहीं वो सब थोड़ा reservation है. They are saying यश चोपड़ा और अनिल कपूर होते combination तो it would have been a launch. So we have gone through all this, not knowing our own worth. Maybe it was right at that time, wrong. But ये सब journey से गुजरे, and we have a glimpse of the various some girls whom we had tested. But then this is the test, the one which really worked for us. And by the time we are showing you the final test, but one thing was very clear. We shot this at around 2:30 in the night, and we realized he is at his best at that time. You can see by that time
You all will agree with that.
by that time we knew how the stubble looked. By that time he knew what the camera is. You can see the romance in him.
So then, he was so fed up that eventually he said that I'm going to take Neelam in the film now. I said, yeah. कोई तो एक, established आ गई यहाँ पर हमारे साथ काम करने के लिए. So he was going to go to Ooty. And then suddenly he does not go to Ooty because I think Raj Babu found Bhagyashri. And then he showed me the pictures. I said, is there a sister's role in the film? I said, it's like a sister kind of casting you taking.
So नीलम जी जब मिलती हैं तो आज भी बोलती हैं कि मैंने प्यार किया, आते आते ऊटी रुक गए. The fact is हम आपके कौन भी आते आते रुक गए, तो हम साथ साथ बुलाया भी तो बहन के लिए.
Was Salman sir on the set once you started shooting? Was he like a really quick learner? Did he take a long time?
You haven't seen the growth from the first test to this one. It's only 1 week, dude.
Okay. But otherwise, what
It has
was...
taken me a long time, 27 years to grow. But then that growth was like really quick.
But otherwise, on the sets, what was the chemistry like? Were you all both a little apprehensive? Were you a little bit doubtful sometimes at all? Or was it full confidence once you said take and scene one?
No, बहुत टाइम
Oh,
लगा.
Suraj Babu, don't expose them.
बहुत टाइम लगा, बट one quality of Salman Bhai which has really taken him to where he is today is that even at that time he was never afraid of making a fool of himself. He was not afraid कि अगर
some things never change.
but there have been incidents when he's going for the shot and he says one more. कितने भी बड़े एक्टर हो सब नहीं तो हम सब we are worried लोग क्या बोलेंगे लोग but never it has been. So that is what makes him so natural today. So the journey has been take after take, but by the time this film was over, it was one take. Even today, he doesn't require any more than one take.
So many years of retake ka practice, no?
But there was also
There was a scene where in the mandir, I had to give a cue to Alok Nath ji, and I was missing that. All I says, "Kyun, Babuji?" And when his lines were over, and then my line came, I almost became Shah Rukh Khan. "Kyun, Babuji?" What was that? Because you're working with Alok Nath in front, and first time you're working with you know somebody who's there in the film industry and popular, तो आवाज ही नहीं निकलती थी बाहर. And then, so whatever you see of Alok ji right now, that whole sanskari bit is Suraj Babu.
No, but everyone says Salman Khan, everyone says big star, lucky, but there are some things I know what he has gone through because I've been through those times. I've been through that time when we have finished dubbing him. We've gone to the mixing studio. Both of us are sitting at the back. Our mixing, and that mixing engineer used to mix Prakash Mehra film, Manmohan Desai film, huge table, both of us sitting at the back. And he starts mixing, he hears the first reel and he tells my father, Raj Babu, this, you have to dub his voice. ये तो film गई, नहीं तो. And both of us look at each other. He says, हाँ ये तो, and he didn't care कौन.
Yeah, because even the earlier film बीवी होता है ऐसी, they dub my voice. I say यार dub करो किसी से भी करा लो, ये picture आनी चाहिए बाहर पे देखेंगे अपन.
And he said, dub करो इसका तो कुछ ठीक है, but picture. So I remember coming out, we have to hunt, and my father goes in, and he tells the engineer that नया लड़का है, you have to give him one more chance, ये तो हिम्मत जाएगी. And we read up the whole film. Earlier we dubbed in the mornings, then we dubbed in the afternoons, in the evenings. And today, no one has the guts to tell him one word at dubbing. So that has been struggle.
I do it on my own only. That 10 more I only give. Before anyone says cake or sir, I only give 10 different variations of that. But the amazing thing is a 20-year-old boy had the courage at that point of time to cast me. And he was there right in front of me at every given time, whether it be dubbing, whether it be the casting, whether it be one more retake, it would be I'm sure that this film would have been made in the amount that they used to make films at that point of time, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs. But I'm sure that 1 crore 11 lakhs or 20 lakhs का जो budget गया होगा, उसमें मेरा बहुत बड़ा हाथ होगा. Because if you calculate that, those 10, 15 retakes, if you calculate कि उस वक्त तो we used to shoot on negative, तो raw stock used to be very expensive also. So एक rehearsal हुआ, एक take हुआ, second take हुआ, नहीं rehearsal कर लो 4-5 rehearsal ठीक हो गए, फिर वापस से किया. So I remember that one, we got stuck on a lot of things, but there's that one scene, माँ तू ऐसा कर, तू मेरे लिए ऐसी लड़की ढूंढ, boy cut, ये वो bob cut वगैरह, वो that scene. We started at 10:30. The late आना का हमेशा था थोड़ा सा problem था from the first film. अरे how much tension he used to give me यार. Because अभी तक that sadma is still not gone. That everyone is going to be waiting. So I used to try and go to sleep at 9 o'clock. 9:30 I used to be wide awake. And then from there trying to sleep, tossing, turning. और यही ख्वाब आते थे कि लेट हो जाऊंगा यार, लेट हो जाऊंगा यार, उठो, लेट हो जाऊंगा. And then वाकई में I used to get late. फिर वो नींद मुझे आती थी 6:30 बजे कि 5 में सो जाता हूँ. Suddenly I used to wake up 8:30 बज गए. And now I've got to reach Natras studio Andheri. So sit in the car means drive. The Lakshman Dada used to drive me. I used to park the car on the highway. I used to run off. I used to do parkour then. I used to run into from the highway. I used to come into Stage Studio, jump the wall of Stage Studio, run into Nataraj and stand there. Where are you? Your car? There's a car is outside there, parked. When you came? I was here at 8 o'clock in the morning. ये 1.5-2 महीने चलता रहा एक दिन. So one day he figured something fishy is going on. So now I'm jumping the wall and he sees me in high speed. He's standing right next to the wall. I said, this is not fair, Suraj Babu, yaar. Suraj, yaar, don't give me this time, ke 9 baje, yaar. 7 o'clock shift, I'll never be late. But 9 o'clock is that time that you fall asleep. In Hum Saath Saath Hain, same problem. 7 o'clock shift, I was there at 7:15 in the morning. He showed me the watch. I said, nice watch, Suraj Babu, new one. 7:15, everyone ready with dress and all. That's okay. Next day, I went there at 4:30 in the morning, dressed up, and I sat down there. 4:30 in the morning, party करके चला गया वहाँ पर. There. So then I think More was there. He called up Suraj Babu in the room. He says, वो सलमान भाई आके ready makeup के साथ बैठ गए यहाँ पर. So he comes 5:30 in the morning. He says, I'm married man, I've got children. Don't do this to me.
But this has been a journey. Then came Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, I wrote the script, and honestly, when I wrote the script, when we wrote, not many had the faith in this. So I remember Salman Bhai, Sangeeta both came to the house, and when I narrated him, he loved the script. One of the few people who loved, and he said कि इस picture में best ये कि ना कोई hero heroine कोई नहीं है, सभी hero heroine है, including the dog. And literally he was a big star at that time, and there have been songs where he's like a junior artist, a dancer sitting in the Samdi Samdan गाने में पीछे 6-7 दिन तक सिर्फ ताली बजा रहे हैं. My DOP, my assistant asking, sir, he'll feel bad, but nahi, he is there and he's clapping because he knew the film. Then came Hum Saath Saath Hain. Hum Saath Saath Hain में I casted him in a sober role, and I remember that time he told me, Suraj Babu, let me do the third role. ऐसे नहीं, समय वो सब हम लोग ने कर लिया, एक संजीत की ऐसा एक करेंगे ऐसा रोल. So he agreed and he did. And yes, after the release, a lot of people told me, "Arey, we wanted to see Salman Khan in that role, in this role." But I felt, oh, did I make a mistake? But the best part was when his dad, Salim Saab, came out of the trial, he says, "Salman, this is your best role." So this has been our journey. In Hum Saath Saath Hain, I remember I wanted Salman Bhai, he was a character who was saying, why is there poverty outside? Why is there suffering outside? Why is there dukh outside? That was the character. And what we have here in this film is the same Prem who has the answer to all those questions. So Prem Ratan Dhan Payo is our answer to all those questions, all those answers to all the journey that we have had together to answer and to tell us what this Ratan Dhan is all about. So this is our journey, Salil. This has been where we have come.
It's a complete circle that is finally closed. It's been wonderful. A big round of applause there for what we saw.
After seeing this, the screen test, I just realized that how similar Suraj and me used to be then. What happened to me? It's because of you.
So there's a small question. It's a very big word that... Yeah, please, please. इस पिक्चर का मैं एक सवाल करना चाहता हूं आपसे. लास्ट ईयर एक शब्द बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ था, उससे पहले शायद भारतीय लोगों को ये पता नहीं था, वर्जिन. इट वाज वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर. एंड इस पिक्चर में भी किसी का ये ऐसा नाम है सर. तो इसकी कहानी क्या है?
क्या सिली स्टार्ट किसी से किया?
सोचा कि गूगली डाला जाए.
All the scenes that I have written till now with him, मैंने हमेशा ना एक राम लिखा, then कृष्ण ये बनाते हैं. So this has been our rapport since he has his own way of putting this Prem. So इस फिल्म में there is Anupam ji's role, Anupam Kher's role, who's playing a prime minister of a royal family. So when I conceived the role, I said, okay, this is Anupam sir. I told him that this is your role, and you are very much honored with the late महाराज, because जब आपकी शादी हुई थी तो बारात आप महल से निकाली थी महाराज ने. आपके दोनों बच्चे अब्रॉड रहते हैं, आपको बार बार बुलाते हैं, बट आप नहीं जाना चाहते बिकॉज ऑफ योर लव फॉर द रॉयल फैमिली. तो अनुपम जी ने अपना माइंड सेट किया, कपड़े वपड़े बने, आधा सीन पिक्चर शूट हो गया. एक दिन ये बोलते हैं कि नो, ही शुड बी अ वर्जिन बिकॉज ही हैज़ अ स्पेशल रिलेशनशिप विद अनुपम जी. सो वेयर डज दिस कम, वी डोंट नो. हम तो कोई और किरदार लेके चलें, एंड ही वॉन्ट्स टू कंसीव अ सर्टेन ह्यूमर विद अनुपम सर. अनुपम जी मुझे बोले, मेरी तो वाइफ, मेरे तो बच्चे, तो ये कहाँ कैरेक्टर जाने. मैंने कहा ये सब कैंसिल, राष्ट्रीय फिल्म में कहाँ आएगा ये. तो मैंने बोल दिया ये सब नहीं. पर इन्होंने टेक शुरू किया, इन्होंने बोल दिया वर्ड, ओके हो गया, बिकॉज सब हंस दिए. अब उसको निभाते निभाते हमको पूरे 3-4 सीन करने पड़े. सो दिस इज व्हाट ही इज, ही गेट्स हिज वे आउट. सो दिस इज हाउ दिस.
But there's always a nice tadka to it. That's why the taste always remains fantastic.
Called Bapu in the film.
Yes.
So now this is the backstory that I knew, but now we've not showing the backstory. So I said, Bapu na Bapu is giving me advice on how to lubhao Sonam, Maithili. तो ऐसे आपके कन्याओं के एक्सपीरियंस से आप मुझे बताइए कि इस ब्यूटीफुल नारी को मैं कैसे लुभाऊं. ना ही रियलाइजेस कि मेरे पास तो कोई कन्याओं का एक्सपीरियंस तो है नहीं. तो said, सिर्फ नाम के बापू है, वर्जन बापू, and I ran away from there.
So that's what this film, it has bits of him and bits little like these things.
अच्छा, very conveniently all this stuff he's put onto me right now.
अच्छा, एक ट्रेलर लॉन्च के टाइम पे एक सवाल था, when we saw glimpses of two different yous. अब तो बाहर कुछ खबरें भी आ गई हैं कि there are two yous in this film. It's a double role. I'm sure you can confirm that also. What is that?
No, it's a double role.
So what is that zone? One good and one bad?
There is no Ratan. There is Vijay and there is Prem. Now he'll be the best person to describe both the characters.
There is a double role in this film of Salman Bhai. One is a Prem who does Ram Leelas, who's from Ayodhya, who knows the Ramayana Kanthast every doha. And there is a prince, there is a Vijay, there's a prince who speaks French, Italian, German. There is one prince who says that अगर इसे ही family कहते तो हर आदमी अकेला तन्हा ही अच्छा. And there is a Prem who says that हर family में problem है, but वो खुश नसीब है जिनकी family होती है. So in this film we have two Salmans debating on family, on the base of family, on the sanctity of family, and both loving in their own ways. Both are right. No one is wrong. So this is what, yes, there is a double role.
I like the confirmations. You know what I'll do before we got a little surprise? I would open out to anybody who want to ask any questions.
तो इस बार हमें
one shot के लिए जब हम लोग जा रहे हैं अयोध्या से, हम लोग जा रहे हैं राजस्थान, तो संजय मिश्रा हमें छोड़ने जा रहे हैं. तो उनके पास एक पिंजरे के अंदर एक तोता है. वो बोलता है कि बोलता है I love you मिट्टू, I love you. तो तोता भी बोलता है I love you, I love you. ये चल रहा है सीन के अंदर, चल रहा है I love you, I love you. और हमको मत छोड़ के जाओ यार, I love you यार, कहाँ छोड़ के जा रहे हो आप हमको यार. तो I love you. तो मैं जाके पिंजरा खोल देता हूँ. मिट्टू come back, I love you too, I love you too करके मिट्टू निकल जाता है. Sorry, that is why he didn't keep it. अब मुझे समझ में आया.
But there are horses in this, there are elephants in this, there is coronation scenes, there is a very important carriage sequence in the film.
Beautiful sequence there.
It's a very important sequence in the film. So the horses are very much there.